Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of Lawrence Academy Screencasts. Hope you brought your pocket protectors and your calculators because it's about to get nerdy up in here. This video is going to teach you all about the degree of polynomials. And basically, the degree is just another way we classify polynomials. The first way we're going to talk about the degree is the degree of a single term. And the degree of a single term is going to be equal to the sum of the exponents on all the variables in that term. So as you can see, I just wrote down the definition for you, so feel free to copy that down now. I also want to look at a couple different examples of this, just so we get the hang of it. All right, here we have our examples. So our first is going to be 3x to the fourth power. Okay, so there's only one variable there. It's just the x. It's raised to the fourth power, so the degree is 4. Second variable, there's another piece to take into account here. We have x to the third and y to the fourth. Okay, so two variables. We got to get the sum of the exponents. So it's just 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the degree is 7. Our last example is trying to trick you. Don't be fooled. Remember, in terms of degree, the only thing we're counting are the exponents of the variables, not the constant. So we can really take that out. We're not going to think about the negative 4 to the third power. That's a red herring. We're going to look at just the x to the sixth and the y to the second. Okay, so it's just 6 plus 2, or 8. So the degree of this last example is 8. All right, now let's talk about the degree of a polynomial. And the degree of a given polynomial is just the degree of the term with the highest degree in the polynomial. All right, so I just zapped in the definition there for you. Now let's look at some examples together. All right, well, here are our examples. Let's look at this one first. 3x to the third minus 4. So in order to determine the degree, we need to find the degree of each term. All right, so this first term has x to the third power, so the degree of that is 3. And this second term, this minus 4 here, is a constant, so its degree is just 0. So the highest degree, which one's bigger? Well, 3 is bigger than 0, right? So the degree of this polynomial is going to be 3. In example 2, we're going to tackle it the same way. First, find the degree of each term, and then see which one's bigger. All right, so two variables in this first term, x to the third and y to the fourth. So 3 plus 4, right, is 7. So the degree of the first term is 7. And now our second term is 5x to the 9. So x to the 9, so we know that the degree of that term is 9. So which one's bigger, 7 or 9? Well, 9 is bigger. So the degree of this polynomial is going to be 9. Okay, you see here in front of you one more example. I want you to try this one on your own tonight and bring it in tomorrow to class. And also, I have one more question. At some point during this screencast, I made a mistake typing. And there's a typo in there. It disappears because I fix it later, but if you watch closely, you'll know where that mistake is. You'll be able to see it. So can you find my mistake? That's my second challenge to you tonight. So go back. You might have to watch it again. Find that mistake. Good luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.